What's up sa inyo at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Sa inyo rin po Ma'am Almi. Magandang hapon po sa inyo kung nanonood man kayo. And today I am going to show you all on how to install Turbo C++ and kung paano siya i-run, kung paano siya i-compile and all that. So first, installation process. Let's go to the recording. Okay. Ito na. If you search developerinsider.co, makikita nyo din, meron din mga options kung anong mga i-download nyo. Okay, so I chose Turbo C++ for Windows. So now, since na-download ko na siya, ito na siya, ma-download yung zip file niya, and then we're going to we're going to press it and setup. Mag-setup tayo. Pero extract muna natin siya. Okay, let us extract. And since extract na natin siya, we are going to set it up. Yan na. Okay, let's wait for it to load and download na siya. Install Shield Wizard, preparing to install. And next, then I accept. Siyempre accept tayo dyan. And then let's install. Downloading na siya. And then let's finish. Then it will automatically na pwede na siyang buksan by pressing Start Turbo C++. Ayan na. Okay. Ayan, marami ng options, diba? Ayan. So, from here on out, we are going to make a file. Let's just press New. Ayan. Pag gumawa ka ng New, magiging noname00 or noname00.cpp. Kailangan CPP siya para mag-run yung program. Now, first of all, we are going to start coding. Include IOStream. IOStream stands for the input and the output .h. Yan na. And now, enter. Then int main. Then enter and itab natin para may style naman siya, 'di ba? Cout. And then kung ano man ipiprint natin, which is yung hello world niya. Hello world. Yan, kailangan ganyan siya para enthusiastic tayo, 'di ba? Kasi maging coderist, ha? O, ayan na. And then we almost forgot. Yan. Return 0. Okay, wait lang. Nakalimutan natin maglagay ng close and open parenthesis and then the bracket. Return 0. Yan na. Pero, syempre, for safety measures, i-save natin siya. Okay, save na. Nakasave na siya. Then, let's try to compile. Oh, yun. May error siya. Compound statement missing bracket. Okay, so nag-freeze siya. Now, dahil nag-freeze siya, we are going to exit. And we are back. Iko-compile na natin siya with the bracket. Nag-freeze siya kasi. I-compile na siya na may bracket. Kaya nandyan yan. Compile. Success. Compiling na siya. Now by pressing the Windows, pupunta tayo sa output and it will show this output na na-compile natin. And then i-cascade natin siya para mapakita yung na-compile natin. And then once i-compile natin, and then i-run na natin siya. Let's run. Press muna natin siya. Ang noname00cpp. I-run natin siya. Hindi ko na siya ni-rename, And then let's run. Yan. As you can see, the output, hello world. Yan. Hello sa inyo world. And yeah, thank you guys. So guys, it's been a trial and error. Wala kaming wifi, naka-data lang tong PC ko, naka-connect lang sa hotspot. And then, kanina download ko yung old version na pang Windows 7 na Turbo C++. Nag-freeze siya. And then, ni-redownload ko naman yung naka-emulate na compatible daw sa Windows 11 na Turbo C++. And then, though, nag-freeze pa rin siya. And though at the end, hindi ko na muna siya pinakita dun sa initial na video, pero at least naran natin yung hello world, di ba? So yun guys, thank you po. Thank you Ma'am Almi, thank you guys for watching. And yun na. Let's go DIT 11.